So we have our first problem here is to find the value principal of of j root of negative j. So first we just convert the square root into exponent. So z is equal to negative j 1 over j. Next, we times both sides by ln. So we have ln of z is equal to negative j, ln of negative j raised to 1 over j. Next, I just move negative j to the top. This will be negative j. Then I just move negative j to the front because of the properties of ln. So ln of z is equal to negative j ln of negative j. Next, we convert the negative j in ln to a polar. So we get negative j ln of 1 angle of pi over 2. Next, we convert this to exponent form. So we get negative j ln of 1e negative j pi over 2. And we use the properties of ln again. So we get negative j to ln of 1 plus ln of e raised to j pi over 2. Then we cancel out ln 1 because this becomes 0. So what is left is negative j ln of e raised to negative j pi over 2. Then we move negative j pi over 2 to the front, and ln of e will be just 0. So what is left here is just pi over 2 equals to ln of z. So in order to find z, we just raise this to e, okay? So this will become negative, the cancel out will be what's left is z is equal to e raised to negative pi over 2. Sorry, just negative pi over 2 angle of 0. So our principal value for this problem is just 0. So this is your final answer. So next problem is to determine the value of log of negative 5. So first we convert this, or we convert negative 5 into a polar form. So in your calculator, we get r is equal to 5. In your angle should be 3.14. This is rad. So I'm gonna check using the calculator. So this is already rad. So we just shift pole. So negative 5, and our imaginary number is just 0. So we get 5 with an angle of 3.14 rad. So negative 5 is just 5e raised to j 3.14. We replace negative 5 with this one. So we get log of 5e raised to j 3.14. Next, using the properties of logarithm, we can have the ln of 5e raised to j 3.14 all over ln of 10. So our final answer should be ln of 5 plus ln of e j 3.14 all over ln of 10. Since ln of e is just 1, so cancel this out. So our final answer should be ln of 5 plus j 3.14 all over ln of 10. Okay, so we have our next problem is to find the general value of ln 1 minus j square root of 3 raised to 3. Okay, so first we move the 3 to the front. So we get 3 ln of 1 minus j square root of 3. Next, we convert 1 minus j square root of 3 into polar. So using the calculator, so we have 1 minus or negative square root of 3. So we get, as you can see, we get r is equal to 2 and our angle is negative 1.05. Right. Next, since we got our polar, we convert this polar form. So we got 2 angle of 1.05. Then we convert this to exponent, which is 2e raised to negative j 1.05. So we use the exponent here. So ln 3 times ln times 2e raised to negative j 1.05. And by using the properties of ln, we get 3 ln of 2 plus ln of e raised to negative j 1.05. We cancel out ln of e because this becomes 1. So our final answer should be ln 3 times ln of 2 plus, minus j times 1.05. This will be our final answer. Last problem, which is to evaluate log of log of 1 plus j square root of 3 base 1 minus j. So first, we convert this to polar form. So get the calculator and shift plus, we get 1 comma square root of 3. So we got r is equal to 2 and our angle is just 1.05, just like in the previous problem. So from the rectangular form, the polar form, to angle of 1.05, then we convert this to exponential form, which is 2e raised to j 1.05. So we get log of 2e raised to j 1.05 with a base of 1 minus j. Then using the properties of log, we can have ln of 2e raised to j 1.05 all over ln of 1 minus j. Then use the properties of logarithm again. So we have ln of 2 plus ln of e raised to 1.05 all over ln of 1 minus j. And we know that ln of e is just 1. So our final answer should be ln of 2 plus j 1.05 all over ln of 1 minus j. Thank you so much for watching the video. I learned that I need to solve more problems. Besides those 10, I need to solve more so I can able to solve any type of problem that the teacher might give in quizzes or exams. And God bless and see you in the next video.